Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another day in the house build. And if you were with us in the last video, you would have seen, after about 2 years of not having a lounge room, we once again have a lounge room. Super cool. Been spending some nights in here chilling with the kids, watching some videos, which has been really cool. But in this video, we're planning, trying to take care of the rest of this kitchen. So it's taken a while. We've got splashback still to complete in here. Took Dara a while to actually work out what design she wanted to put up on that wall, but once she worked it out, she's gone ahead, ordered the tiles. Tiles got delivered, so they're all sitting there ready to rock and roll. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go lay the tiles out on the bench the way we want to work this thing together on the walls. Once we've got that laid out, you can see the pattern we're going to use. Then we're going to start sticking this thing up. So in saying that, let's get into it.
Something in the room that illuminated me, 'cause I was in the dark, wrestling the scars, but you took away everything. Maybe this is more than bliss. These moments I just can't resist, 'cause this is everything I wished, and so much more. You are my light, and everything that I want. Come take this night. Let's come alive in the dark. Let's come alive in the dark. You broke through everything. Now all of the doubt, all that brought me down, is a million miles away. Now I'm seeing blue sky, looking here in your eyes. I fade away in your smile, as we melt into the twilight. Maybe this is more than bliss. These moments I just can't resist. This is everything I wished, and so much more. You are my light, and everything that I want. Come take this night. Let's come alive in the dark. Let's come alive in the dark.
so there you go, we're starting to look fantastic here. As you can see, we've got all the tiles up. That took a fair bit of preparation per wall, as we had to lay out the sheets on the bench, then we had to cut all the individual pieces out, place them in spot, make sure everything was just about full, ready to rock and roll. And then once we had that all sorted, it was a matter of sticking it all up with the glue, tiling it all in place, spacing everything out. Once you got these things on the wall, you kind of had to pull them all into place and stuff, get the netting sort of spread out. Some of it's not all 100% the same gaps, but even at the shop, when I went back to Beaumont's to actually check on that tile piece, it's exactly the same. There's just, it kind of spreads out, but it's like smaller and bigger spots like that. So we couldn't get it 100%. But in saying that, it looks absolutely fantastic. Really happy with the actual overall result. There's a couple of spots that I've missed that I didn't put enough gap in there. But overall, I don't think it's going to really matter once we put the grout in. That should look fantastic. So in saying that, we're going to go and mix up some grout and get into it. Alright guys, so there you go, we finally got ourselves a splashback. It was a little bit tedious, which we did get told that was what was going to be the case. But in saying that, that's what Dara wanted. So that's what Dara's got. So overall, we're pretty happy with the result. Some of the gaps are a little bit different here and there. But it's pretty tricky to actually work this stuff out as you're doing it. Obviously, I ain't no professional tiler. This is all new to me. So we gave it a crack and overall pretty happy with the result. We've gone ahead and we've fitted one part of the door trim so far to the butler's kitchen, just so we could go ahead and silicone up around the areas, get it all ready, so now we can move on, start putting the taps in, and we can get our range hood back in, and we know the silicone's we're not going to get in the way of things while we're silicone. So in saying that, I'm going to go grab the tap, start fitting her up. Alright guys, so there you go, we've got our range hood in place. We've just gone and put all the electrical stuff in there, all sorted, and over the couple of days we had the electrician here, so we've got our cooktop, we've got all our power points in place, we've even got our oven working and ready to rock and roll. So Dara's been flat out cooking, she's loving it, having her oven back. But the next thing we've got to do now is get rid of this big mess up here. Want to put a cover over the top of that, so got a few bits of leftover doors that they gave us to actually make the cover for it. So we're going to go ahead and do some measuring, make a cover, hopefully slide together and all look nice and tidy. Alright guys, so we're going to call that a wrap for this video. As you can see, we managed to get a fair bit done. We've got the splashback sorted out, we've got the range hood up, sorted out, boxed in up there, so the pipe's all covered up, nice looking. We've got our tapware in, all powered up now, absolutely fantastic. So if you're enjoying the content, please don't forget to hit that like button, set your notifications for upcoming videos. We do thank you for the time you take to sit down and watch our videos. We really do appreciate it. You can join us on Facebook and Instagram at StayTrue TV and get the inside scoop before YouTube. But as for now, stay safe and we'll catch you next time.